Hello friends, in this video we would talk about IELTS writing. IELTS writing is not just writing or just write anything which comes to your mind according to question. And mostly students do writing either, or they think while they write. They don't follow any strategy, which is the main thing we need to do to get desired score like 6 band, 6 plus, 6.5 or 7 band. So for those band requirements, they must follow some strategy rather than just writing anything which comes in mind. They must follow the strategy in a proper way, in a systematic way. They should manage time to do various things according to the strategy to get their desired score. So we'll start with writing task 2, and we will discuss what strategy they should follow. For writing task 2, as they are given 40 minutes, in these 40 minutes they should divide their time for different activities they can do. First thing they need to do is planning. So in this planning aspect, they can spend around 8 to 10 minutes. And what things they need to do in this planning? First thing, read the statement. They should read the statement carefully, and during reading they can underline the keywords of this statement, and they can understand what's the requirement of question or what things they need to discuss in the question. And after this, second thing they need to do is they can think of relevant ideas, because that's the most important thing. Mostly students go off the track while writing. So in advance they can think of relevant ideas, what things they can discuss in the question according to the requirement of question while they write answer. After this, if they have still time from this 8 to 10 minutes, they can think of uncommon vocab or any kind of idiom they can use. They can think in advance. So these things they can make short notes before they start writing. So second thing here, they would start after around 8 to 10 minutes they can start writing. And for writing they should spend around 20 to 25 minutes. And during writing they have already planned what they need to write. So they have already noted on the ideas they need to write. So that won't be any problem. They can just think of proper structure to use. They can think during writing, they can think complex structure which they can use for writing. So basically here they can compose sentence according to grammar rules by keeping in the mind that they should use right grammar in a proper way. And after this, third thing which is quite important, which they must do, that is proofreading. For proofreading, here they should have at least 5 to 8 minutes. And during this time, whatever they have written, they can revise it, they can check, and they can correct their common mistakes which frequently they make, kind of like we can say some spelling mistake they can correct themselves while reading. Then they can check either they have used proper verb, accurate verb according to subject. It's called subject verb agreement. Third thing, they can check either they have used tense properly according to the requirement, according to the situation. So they can correct their tense mistakes. Either they have used present verb with present situation, or they have used second form in past situation. So this thing they can correct themselves. Sometimes students make such mistakes. Fourth thing they can correct themselves, it is punctuation, either any capital letter mistake or any comma, any full stop they need to use anywhere. So these kind of mistakes they can correct themselves. So this is the pattern, this is the strategy they should follow. By using this time management, they can properly use this strategy to get the desired score. Similarly, if we talk about writing task 1, here they have 20 minutes. Here too they can use at least 5 minutes for planning, like what kind of comparison they can make, what data they can combine for grouping, what phrases, what comparative connectors they can use. This thing they can plan in planning for 5 minutes. Then they have 10 minutes for writing, and again at last they should have around 5 minutes for proofreading. So it's quite common students make some mistakes. If they would correct their mistake themselves, definitely they can improve their half to 1 band easily, and this is the only way they can get 6+ band in writing. I hope you guys would follow this strategy to get your desired score, and in next video we will discuss more about these strategies, like to get desired score and to improve your performance. If you have any doubt, any query, you can DM me and I would help you for your queries, for your problems, and it would be pleasure for me to help you to get your desired score. Thank you very much.